Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little and we keep track of time.
Hi YouTube, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for checking your girl out. Again, as you guys can see in the title, it is Chiccoutureonline trying all we're doing today. It is an online company. It's more like Fashionnova, but their prices is like a little bit higher than Fashionnova, and I feel like their quality is much better than Fashionnova. But we're not writing up Fashionnova because we still love Fashionnova all over here, okay? We love Fashionnova, all right? But this is just like a little bit of, let me say, a little bit of competition for Fashionnova, because I love their outfits. I've bought from them so many times, but I'm like, you know what? Let me come show you guys what this company is all about, all right? If you want to see what your girl got from Chiccoutureonline, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. But before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel before you leave out. It does help your girl out. All right, guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. If you want to see what your girl got from Chiccoutureonline, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, y'all, this is the first thing that I got from Chiccouture. Oh my days, this is a two-piece set, by the way. I love the fact that it's so off the shoulder, and it does have a lot of stretch right over here, and it does have like a broad thingy right at the bottom right over there. You guys don't need to wear a bra with this, and it falls off your shoulder. I really like this. It does have a lot of quite a lot of stretch. I got this in a size medium. I'm thinking everything that I got would definitely be in the description. My size, my measurement, and everything, I would definitely put everything in the description box. But this has a lot of stretch, so if you want, you could size down or just stay your size. I just say stay your size because it can't go any wrong. If you guys want to see any more, just look in the mirror right over there. So yeah, this is what this one is looking like. It is pretty long though, so I am 5'5", by the way, for reference. So if you are like, let me say 5'6", 5'7", you should still be able to wear this with heels. This is me on my tippy toe, so if you are about that height, you should still be able to wear this with a heel. But for me, as a 5'5" person, heels that I have to wear with this will probably not be more than 4 inches, 4.5 inches. But yeah, this is a cute little vacation brunch kind of outfit. So yeah, this is really cute. The pant does have a stretch on it, and it's like those accordion kind of material. Let me see if it can show. Okay, see? It does have like the accordion kind of stretch thingy to it, and I love the color for this weather. It is so cute and so flattering on the body. If you didn't tell anybody, they probably think it's a jumpsuit, but it's not. It's actually a two-piece. This is what the back is looking like. I really like it. It's cute. Okay guys, the next thing I got from the site is this t-shirt right over here. They say it's one size, so if you're any bigger than I am, it might not be this oversized on you. I'm just being serious, okay? Because this fits me like a real true medium. So this is what it looks like. I do have this in this color, and I have this in like a tan color. I'll put a picture of the tan color right over here for you guys because I already wore that one out. And I also have it in this beautiful army green style also. This army green color also. I just like the fact that it has this beautiful lady right here in front of it. Just mind our own business. Don't bother me. Shoe fly. Don't bother me, okay? I love it about her. She's just chilling. It has some words down here. I have no idea what the words are saying. And they also have the same word at the bottom right over there. So yeah, really cute, really nice. If you want, you could wear a t-shirt under this, or long sleeve or short sleeve under this. Or if you want, the way I wore it, so you guys have already seen the video, was I wore it in I wore a legging, a a faux leather leggings that I got from Fashionnova. I just wore that with it, with a nice meal and a purse, and I was out the door. Pretty simple outfit and stuff like that. And if you want, you can wear it like this with nothing under. Okay, so this is what the t-shirt is looking like. Really cute, really nice. I really like it though. Okay, y'all, this is the next thing that I got from them. This is a two-piece set also. This top and this wide, extra wide leg pants. This for me, it's more of a vacation kind of situation. I ain't wearing this nowhere other than the pants. I might wear the pants somewhere with a nice bodysuits and like a jacket or something. I think it will be cute. But on the normal day, this ain't it, okay? Because I mean, you could wear something under this that will probably be more modest for you. And if I have to wear it out, I have to wear some kind of like a bra under it, and then tuck this inside, and then wear high-waisted pants. With this one, this is very, very tropical. It's giving me vacation. It's giving me let's go to Bahamas. It's giving me let's go to the Caribbean. It's giving me let's take a cruise. Give me somebody's yacht. Okay, this is what this is giving me. It's giving me rich auntie vibes. Okay, this is so freaking cute. It does have the flower all over it, literally like at the edge. You guys can see different color. Pretty long. So heels will be the right kind of shoe to wear with this. I think a nice heels will be good. And it does have a nice beautiful pocket. This is what the back is looking like. Like I told you guys, this is more of a vacation, tropical vacation kind of situation for me. I really like it. I am going to Miami around September, so this will be a perfect outfit for me to take with me and wear. I love it. It's in a large. Why? It's because of the top. Because even with the large, it's a little bit snug on my armpit, so I said go up a size in whatever size you are in this. I think that side only go all the way to a large, if I can remember. I think that sizes only go towards a large. It's very rare for you to see an extra large on their side, so that's their only, you know, downfall with it. But other than that, their clothes is very, very good. So yeah, long sleeve, really cute, airy, breathable, and all that stuff. You're not gonna be over sweating. Okay, y'all, this is the next thing that I got. This two-piece set. It is a nice little skirt. This is what the back is looking like. It is pleated. It is more of a tennis, I think they call it tennis skirt or something like that. So this is what it's looking like, and the top also came with it. I got this in a size medium, so if you want, it does have a lot of stretch to it, so I said just stay your size in this one. And the skirt also, the reason why I said stay your size, because if you go down a size, you'll see the back. Okay, and especially if you have behind like mine, yeah, I'm gonna say just stay your size. Okay, the way I wear this is with just tuck it in. Tuck it in. I feel like it's not giving my waist a good shape, but it's still wearable. Something like this, a nice high-waisted skirt like this. I know the back is not backing, but it's okay. Like this, wear a tight under this, and then nice chunky heels. Those new chunky heels that they be wearing nowadays. Wear those chunky heels with this, with a nice stockings and black period. Nice little clutch or a nice little bag. Whichever one whichever one goes with your style, you should do that. That will be perfect with this outfit. A little thick, okay? The skirt is thicker, but it's still breathable and airy and stuff. The top is a little lighter, so I feel like it's washing me off right now, actually. But this is the true color. It is a true red. True red. So if you're seeing orange, it ain't orange. It is red, okay? True red. So if you like red outfit or anything like that, this is a perfect outfit for you. It does come in green and it does come in white, I think. So yeah, really cute, really fly. And as you guys know, two-piece set, you could wear it separately too. Wear the top with something else, the bottom with something else, and you are good to go. This is hella cute. I love it. Yeah, the only thing I wish this place was like this. Do y'all see the difference I made? I wish it was like this. I'll probably go to the tailor and see if they can take it in for me. Look at that. Look how what the difference made just now. Like, wow, wow, wow. Like, it's cinching my waist a little bit more, but y'all see the difference? Like, frumpy waist and all that, and then I did this. I snatched it in just a little bit, and you guys see that? Like, that's cute. I like that. Okay, y'all, this is the last outfit that I got from them. It is this nice pink and white stripe. It's a knitted material. You could wear this definitely in the spring season. It does have a slit on the side, as you guys can see, with a nice beautiful clear heel, a black pump, or a nice sandal with this. I think you'll be able to go out and have fun with the girls. Put a blazer on this and you could go to a work event. So this is really cute. I love it. I love the pink. I think they do have it in an orange and a black and white. Black and white, an orange and white, and this pink and white also. This is what the skirt is. Very roomy, guys. It is very roomy. Stay your size. I also got this in a medium. I don't think it's too big and I don't think it's too small. The shirt is crop, so as you guys can see, it is a crop top, and it's like a razor kind of situation. It's not a full sleeveless situation. It's more of a razor back thingy situation going on. And yeah, this is what this one looks like. I really like this one right over here. I ain't never gonna lie and like I told you guys, I am 5'5". I'll put my measurements. Your girl is a little chunky. Okay, if you've been with me from the beginning since 2019, you know your girl is now chunky. Okay. So I will put my measurements in the description box, so just in case, like I said, just stay your size in this website and you'll be good. Most of their clothes have a lot of stretch, and if it doesn't have a stretch, I'll tell you guys. So if you guys enjoyed that video, please don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. I do really appreciate you guys. If you're new here, welcome to the family. I know we've grown so much in the last couple of months. All right, guys, don't forget to check the description box. I'll link everything for you guys and more over there. All right, guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.